Let's see the recent maritime accidents. In the Gulf of Siam, a Russian crew member of the container ship Lady of Luck lost his right arm. On November 26, a Russian crew member aboard the container ship Lady of Luck lost his right hand in an on-the-job accident. The sailor was medevaced and safely transported to the hospital. Fire aboard the Sunfish, a large trawler with 104 crew, in the Sea of Okhotsk. On November 27, a fire broke out in the living quarters of the oceanic reefer trawler Sunfish in the Sea of Okhotsk. During the nights of November 27 and 28, the crew was able to extinguish the fire on their own. Some smoke was noticed in the morning of November 28, so the crew moved to the first Kuril Strait to wait out the storm. Container ship Cartagena Express has been disabled and is being towed in Biscay. The Cartagena Express engine failed in the morning of November 27, 54 nautical miles west of Ushant, France. The ship, which was sailing from Antwerp to Caucedo, Dominican Republic, began to drift. Towing began in the afternoon of November 27, and the caravan was underway by bulk carrier Yasa Unity has grounded at La Plata. The Turkish bulk ship Yasa Unity ran aground on November 29 near the 48-kilometer mark in the Zona Coman region of La Plata. She refloated, most likely on her own, returned to the anchorage and was escorted to the anchor. After a collision, the vehicle carrier Surasai I sank in Indonesia. On December 1, the vehicle carrier Surasai I collided with the general cargo ship Batanghari MAS in Bangka Strait, Bangka Belitung Islands. The captain made a distress signal and ordered the crew to abandon ship. All 17 crew members were saved by a nearby vessel and are now safe. Coaster cargo vessel Long Shun is in peril in Taiwanese seas. On November 30, the coaster cargo ship Long Shun had engine failure off Zhonghua County in central West Taiwan's Taiwan Strait. The captain ordered the crew to depart ship, but it was later revealed that 3 of the 7 crew members remained on board. One person was evacuated to safety by a Taiwan Air Corps chopper, and 3 others were rescued by a patrol boat. Cargo ship Yusheng 788 went down in the Taiwan Strait, Fujian Province. On November 30, the cargo ship Yusheng 788 was caught in rough weather and sank in Fujian Province water in the Taiwan Strait of Yangtze. A nearby cargo ship rescued 13 crew members in difficult conditions. The Yusheng 788 was on its way from Xiamen to Shantou. Cargo ship Everwin in distress stranded, crew rescued at Yellow Sea. All 12 members of the crew were rescued and are safe. In rough weather 40 nautical miles east of the Yangtze River, the general cargo ship Everwin acquired a 30-degree list. The ship is still afloat, drifting, and being monitored by SAR ships, according to the most recent data. I assumed she was on her way to Kaohsiung. During an Antarctic cruise, the cruise liner Viking Polaris was slammed by a big wave, killing 1 and injuring 3 people. Late on November 29, the Viking Polaris was hit by a huge wave south of Cape Horn in the Drake Passage. Several glass panels shattered, 1 passenger died, and 4 others were injured. The ship docked in Ushuaia on November 30, then went to an anchorage, where it remained until December 2. Lifeboat mishap on the cruise ship Quantum of the Seas. It was either training or tender operation when the portside lifeboat dropped into the water. Nobody was hurt, but the lifeboat was damaged. The cruise liner Quantum of the Seas left the island's anchorage the following day, destined for Port Vila. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions or comments, drop it in comment section. Subscribe to MarinAura for more updates.